Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Matt coming back to you again from the set. Why do I have headphones on? It's just one of them things, bro. So I got these Bose QC35s, right? Solid pair of headphones. Think I had these for probably about 3 years, maybe longer. But as you can tell, when you look at them ear cups, man, they done seen it. So what we're gonna do today, man, is I ordered these from Amazon, and we're gonna see just how easy the process is to swap these ear cups over and see what comes inside the package and see whether it was worth the price of admission that I paid for these, and see if I can revitalize these QC35s because these, sir, have been a solid pair of headphones. Let's get into it. All right, man. That's what we got. We got the good old Amazon bag here. Let's get these joints up out of here, man. Pretty generic package, that's for sure. But it's all about what's on the inside, right? All right, we got to perform some surgery on these joints right here, man. Again, look at them ear cups. That's 3+ years of wear. These things have been on trips with me, and I wear them as a daily driver at work every day, taking phone calls and listening through Zooms, all that good stuff, right? I want to say I had these more than 3 years. Yeah, definitely more than 3 years. But hey, they still look good, man. Despite the ear cups, still a solid pair of headphones, man. So, yeah, let's get into it, man. All right, let's see what we got in the package. Okay. All right. We about to do a total refurb on these things, man. Man, the quality feel exactly the same, bro. Let's see what this little thing is. That's the instructions. Protein leather. Memory foam cushions. Protein meaning it's real. I'm sure this is some sort of tool to use here for getting the ear cups out or setting these. Put those to the side too. Should have this. Okay. All right, man. All right, I'm gonna jack this up, or we're gonna make this a success. So let's see. As of right now, yeah, I think we just doing a total refurb, and that ear cup came right off. Do I need to replace this? I don't believe so. It looks like it's still good, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna replace it just because you get a new one. Of course, it's got the adhesive. Hey, bro, this is legit like the same thing on here. And that adhesive comes right off. Nah, this one's maybe not. I'm gonna have to clean that up before I try to stick that back on there. So we'll do something like this. Probably not what this tool is used for, but that's what I'm using it for. Like this probably would have been better if they gave me some sort of adhesive remover or promoter, but we'll see. There we go. We exposed. And these have little adhesive strips in there. Of course, the 3M better not troll me while I'm doing this video. Alright. Okay, we're gonna seat this the way it was. Oh, this is super simple. Let me not speak so soon. Okay. Alright. Put pressure on it. Alright. We might be in there, bro. Now let's see if this one's gonna troll me. because I'm on camera. All right, let's see what this is and how we are to use this. Okay. All right. This is probably something that people have done before. I ain't never replaced ear cups on no headphones because I ain't never had no headphones that was worth me just replacing the ear cup on. So, yeah. I feel like you don't need that tool though. Unless I'm just doing this wrong, but I feel like I don't need that tool. Not in this instance. Not with these, because this is actually going on fairly easy. A little gap right there. We go. Heard a little snap. Okay. Make sure I got it in there. Oh man, we didn't refurb some Bose QC35s, bro. All right, we got one down, and we're gonna do the other one. Pop right off, man. All right, we're gonna have to use that tool again to get that. Probably could have just left these in, but yeah, if you got a replacement, you might as well go ahead and do it, right? And I just bought the Sony Oat wares, and I had a pair of, what else did I have? Oh, I got rid of the Oat wares. Took them back. When I did a test with the phone calls, didn't sound so great. It was terrible, actually. The bass in them joints was phenomenal, but when it came to actual, like, trying to talk on the phone, did a good job of isolating voices, but the call quality, it was actually pretty terrible. So yeah, them joints had to go. So I went ahead and just sprung for the MX5s or the XM5s or whatever, the M5s. There you go, the Sony M5 joints. Just went ahead and was like, all right, bro, whatever. Go and get the real joint, the Kings of Noise Cancellation. It still was a toss-up between the Bose and those. So, but I figured I have these still. I use these as daily driver. I got the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds too. So I figured I might as well just keep, just go ahead and get the Sony and keep these, refurb these, and see how it goes. Again, I don't need an extra pair of cans, but it always helps when you have an extra pair, you know what I mean? So I ain't tripping. Plus these are still good. These are like legit still good. I might have to use the tool on this one. Am I bugging? The other one was real easy to get in there. This one, not so much. Okay, there we go. Get this side in there. There's that snap. Alright. Still feel like I see a little gap, but there we go. Put a little pressure on it, it'll snap right in there. Yeah, man. There we go. We just refurbed some Bose QC35s. We went from the ear cups and this. We replaced all of it, man. They got some fresh leather ear cups as they were before. Really, no damage on these, man. I just beat these things to death, bro. Still great. Advantage over the XM or the M5s. They do this. I still got the case for it too. So good travel headphones, good work headphones, good headphones all around, man. So yeah, that's all I got for you, man. I just wanted to put that on video just in case somebody wanted to do this and they had some headphones that they just really want to keep, some Bose, and found these on Amazon, bro. I'll drop a link below if you want to check them out. And that's all I got for you, man. It's your boy, man. Peace.